Hi everybody, it's Dr. Steve Wilsons with Back to Action Chiropractic. Hey doc, can I crack my own neck or will that do more harm? I would shy away from doing your own adjustments. Okay, the reason that chiropractors are successful with adjusting the spine is because we do 4 years of undergrad work as well as 4 years of graduate school to get our doctorate. And most of that time is spent learning anatomy, diagnosis, finding the subluxation and correcting the proper segments. That way you get the interference removed from the nervous system, you increase the function of the body, and you heal faster. Okay, you're not just going to get that pop and click that's going to feel good for a few seconds. You get the long-term benefits of getting that adjustment. So, if you need an adjustment, give a chiropractor a call. Dr. Steve Wilson's Back to Action Chiropractic.